In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to switch accounts on YouTube. That is, how to switch from one account to another account on YouTube. So it's very simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your YouTube app. That is, you want to open up the YouTube application. So once you open up the YouTube app, it will take you to this YouTube homepage. So on this YouTube homepage, this is what you want to do. You want to look for your profile icon. For some of you, you can have the profile icon at the top, and for some, you can have the profile icon at the bottom right corner. For me, I have the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So you just have to look for it and tap on the profile icon. So once you tap on the profile icon, it will take you to this page. So on this page, if you check the top, you are going to see switch account. You just want to tap on that switch account. So once you tap on switch account, it will show you all the accounts that is already logged in on this device. What you just want to do, you just want to tap on the account you want to switch to, and it will be switched to that account successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually switch from accounts to accounts to another accounts on YouTube. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.